This episode is about the states of matter. States of matter! What's the matter? I don't know. What's the matter with you? Now that we got that out of the way, matter is everything. Like everything. Everything that takes up space or has weight at all. Anything you can physically touch anywhere in the universe, it's all matter. Wood, matter. Air, matter. Water, matter. Apple, matter. Pencil, matter. Whatever this is, doesn't matter. It's matter. My face, matter. My hand, matter. Matter is anything physical that you can touch. All the stuff in the universe, we call it matter. So, matter is the only thing in the universe. Not exactly. There's also energy. Matter and energy. And if you have matter, you also have energy. In fact, the states of matter all depend on energy. Matter, energy, energy, matter. Matter has energy. Can you name the 3 states of matter? California, Texas, and Ohio? No. Happy, sad, and ambivalent. What? The state of emotional response, and then you could be either happy, sad, or ambivalent. And no. The 3 states of matter are, I got one more, okay, when something really matters, when something doesn't matter, or when something kinda matters, huh? The 3 states of matter, you see? Are you done? Yeah, I'll let myself out. The 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Let's use water as an example. Solid, ice. Liquid, water, gas, steam, or water vapor. Let's start with solids. What makes a solid? The molecules in a solid have less energy and they vibrate slower. They form a structure and they vibrate, but they don't move around. That's what makes a solid solid. But let's add some energy to this solid. Now the molecules start moving around as well as vibrating, and they can pour and cascade over each other, and that's what makes it a liquid. Liquids don't retain their shape. They pour and take the shape of whatever container they're in because the molecules are moving around so fast they can't stay in a structure. That's what makes something into a liquid. Now let's add even more energy. The molecules start moving around really, really fast, and that's what makes something a gas. So there you go, the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. There we go, we're all done. Yes? What about plasma? Plasma. No, I wasn't planning on telling them about that. I think because that just starts to, I think you're gonna have to, you know. Nope, you're right. Good. Okay, I'll leave you to it. You know what? There's 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. I know, you may not have heard of it because everybody wants to talk about solid, liquid, gas, but plasma is actually the 4th state of matter. Plasma? Never heard of it. What is this crazy stuff? It's gonna be so rare. It's it's the most common state of matter in the universe. Oh, I see. It's true. The sun, plasma. Every star in the sky, plasma. Wait, so now we gotta walk around and wonder if things are also plasma? How am I gonna know? Well, plasma goes here. Solid, liquid, gas, plasma. To get plasma, you have to add energy to gas. So remember, it's all about the molecules. In a solid, they don't go anywhere, they just sit there and vibrate. In a liquid, they start flowing over each other. In a gas, they're zooming around all over the place. And in a plasma, the electrons break off the nucleus and everything starts flying around everywhere. It goes crazy. Wow! There you go. 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. That's it. End of the video. No more states of matter to talk about. Except that, Okay, in the interest of full disclosure, there is actually a little bit more than just these 4 states of matter, but these are the only 4 that you're really gonna ever encounter. You don't have to worry about the other stuff. It's all very theoretical and only scientists know about them, so I'm not gonna talk about them here, despite how really cool they are. Like Bose-Einstein condensate, quantum liquid spins, quark gluon plasma. No, I am not making these names up. Photonic matter, quantum fog, superfluids, fermionic condensate, supersonic ice? It's called supersonic ice? It's all so mind-blowingly awesome, but complicated, but awesome. Well, let's recap with the lightning round of the 4 states of matter. Starting with, well, lightning. What's lightning? It's a plasma. Ice. Solid. Oil. Liquid. Helium. Gas. Hot dog. Solid. Orange juice. Liquid. Steam. Gas. The sun. Plasma. Now let's move on to the trick question round for double bonus points. Plasma ball. Is it really plasma? Yes, it is. Actual plasma. The gas you put in your car. Wait a minute, that's not a gas, that's a liquid. Gasoline is a liquid. Well, that is true, but it turns into a gas in the all-important step when it explodes inside the cylinder and we harness the power of that explosion to drive our car. We're driving around in our cars every day by harnessing the power of explosions? Yup, plasma television. Actual plasma. So now you know the 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and plasma. And that's it. It's just those 4. There's no other, oh, come on. This video is dedicated to Matthew, Olivier, and Philippe from Kingston, Ontario, and Owen and Moira from Springfield, Virginia. They and their families support me on Patreon. Patreon is great because for a few bucks a month, creators like me get a reliable source of income which we know we can count on, which makes it possible to do what I like to do, which is inspire kids with interesting science. If you'd like to support me, the link will be below.